Hey, I just want to give you a quick tour of my website just in case you were absent or forget how this thing works. So we are in Physics 1, so once you're here on the home page, scroll down to Physics 1 and you'll click right there, and depending on the chapter that we're working on in class, you'll click on that. And here we go. So here are instructions on how this works, but basically yellow is all of the work that you have to do, green is the work that everybody should be doing, and then if you are the overachiever or the high achiever student, there's this cyan strive to do. Those are the assignments that if you're doing those and you fully understand them, those are going to lead to the best scores on your assessments. Once all of your sections are done, then there will be an exit ticket. The exit tickets will be found from me. And if you score 80% on the exit ticket, then you can move on to the next lesson or the next section. If you score less than that, then we can fix it by completing some more work, reviewing with somebody in class who's really good at the content, or I can give you a one-on-one session in class. For me to be able to do that, I do need everybody to follow the rule of asking 3 classmates your questions. So if it's how to make a graph in Excel, please ask your classmates for that. Somebody knows. Somebody is certified for that for sure. If it's something like how do I change this equation to solve for this variable, that sounds like a physics type situation. That's what you're going to want to ask me for. Again, it frees me up to give this one-on-one time. All activities should be completed cooperatively unless otherwise noted. So, we're going to start off with our section 1, and the first thing you'd want to do is click on that section, and that's going to pull up section from your textbook. Hopefully. It takes a while. Come on. Alright, we're going to let that do its thing. Then you're going to follow this, starting with number 1. Here's your instructions. So then go on to number 2. Here's your instructions. Number 3, also in yellow. Here are your instructions. Number 4, here's your instructions. Make sure you follow these carefully. So that way, there's your book. If it is in green, it's what you should be doing. It's not what you have to do. Your bare minimum stuff is the yellow. Okay. Active Physics Plus, that's going to be some more advanced math stuff. Green video, you should be watching it. Yellow, what do you think? Now you answer that, and then finally 8, you're going to answer some actual physics problems. The yellow is what you're required to do, the green is what you should be doing, and then if you want even more, then there's inquiring further. Once you finish step 8, call me over. I'm going to take a look at your notebook and make sure you have everything set up and it looks good, looks correct. Ask you if you have any questions, and then I'll get you your exit ticket. The exit ticket's going to be your grade in the grade book. And then let's say you got 80%, then you're going to come down to the next section. If you got 60%, then I'll have you come back and maybe look at some of this green stuff, or we'll go through some more reading and try to figure out what the problem was based on your response to your exit tickets. Section 3, moving on. So there's a time right here, that's the amount of time you should be spending. If you're finding yourself spending a little bit too much time, maybe your group isn't working out and you should find a new group. If you like, come see me and I will get you to a different group in hopes that you're able to complete things a little bit quicker. Okay, so that's pretty much it.